In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew Geico insurance. If your Geico policy is coming up for renewal, the good news is that the process is usually straightforward. The first thing you should do is review your renewal notice. Geico typically sends this by mail or email before your policy expires. Take a few minutes to read through it carefully, because this notice includes the most important details about your upcoming term. Look closely at your new premium, your coverage limits, your deductibles, any policy changes, and of course, the renewal date. This helps you understand exactly what is staying the same and what may have changed before you agree to renew. Next, sign into your Geico account. You can do this on the official Geico website or through the Geico mobile app. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to view your renewal details directly in your account. This is also the easiest place to manage your policy and make sure everything is current. After that, take some time to review your coverage. This is an important step because your insurance should match your current situation. Check whether you need to update your address or contact information, add or remove drivers, or update any vehicle information. You may also want to adjust your coverage limits or deductibles depending on your needs and budget. If you want more protection, this is also a good time to consider optional coverages like roadside assistance or rental reimbursement. Before you renew, it's also smart to check for any available discounts. Depending on your situation, you may qualify for savings such as a multi-policy discount, a multi-vehicle discount, a good driver discount, a good student discount, a military or federal employee discount, or a discount for completing a defensive driving course. Taking a moment to review discount eligibility can potentially lower your premium, so it's definitely worth checking before you make your payment. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and pay your renewal premium if your policy is not already set to renew automatically. Be sure to submit the payment before the due date to avoid any lapse in coverage. Geico may offer several payment methods, including credit or debit card, electronic bank transfer where available, or automatic payments through autopay. After your payment is processed, confirm that your renewal has gone through successfully. You should receive confirmation that your policy has been renewed, and your updated policy documents and digital insurance ID cards will typically be available in your online account or in the Geico mobile app. That's how to renew Geico insurance quickly and smoothly.